Alright, we need something to muscle that thing out of there.
Okay. George, can you just, if it's not distracting you, can we just talk about what we're being careful of?
Oh yeah, we're just being careful not to like, you know, arc metal with the positive and negative, so we don't have any huge sparks going or any kind of explosions. So
Because it does
seems,
explode, huh? It will
yeah,
explode.
yeah, it seems to be double tinned at the area we're working at, so it's a little bit harder than the rest of them. We pried up this thicker one, and this was underneath, so it's double. It's actually like triple tinned. You can see like there's two.
Wow.
There's two there. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, I see that.
So.
And just to reiterate that the emergency, it was the Grossman Burn Clinic, Grossman Burn Center in California, in West Hills, said that people are getting hurt from lifting lithium batteries all the time coming in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they said they're getting hurt because they're trying to work on them themselves.
I see.
So
yeah.
I just want to mention that it's best to have a professional or someone with more experience work on it, and that's why George is here, because I already hurt myself, and I was trying to be careful, and so now I'm taking it to the next level by having someone with more experience than me work on it. And that's really what I should have done in the first place. So I'm recommending that to all of you, is have someone teach you that knows more than you know.